you have a great big pile of scrap fabric? Well, if you do, I have the absolute perfect project to help use up all those scraps. These scrappy little bookmarks come together in just like 10 to 15 minutes and are the perfect way to use up those scraps. Here's a little scrappy version. Let's get sewing. To make these adorable fabric bookmarks, you will need some fabric, interfacing, ribbon, the optional template, a ruler, rotary cutter and mat or scissors, and some fray check. To get started, you need a front piece, back piece, and a piece of interfacing cut to the appropriate dimensions. Lay out the back fabric piece wrong side up and center the interfacing onto the fabric sticky side down. Then, following the directions for your interfacing, iron the interfacing onto the fabric. Next, you'll line up the front piece and the back piece of your fabric bookmarks right sides together and sew along 3 sides. You'll find it very easy to just sew right along the edges of that interfacing. After you've sewn the bookmarks together, you'll want to go ahead and trim the corners so that when you turn the bookmark, you'll have sharp bottom points. One thing to note is that the heavy-duty interfacing does make it a little bit difficult to turn the bookmark, but the extra effort is well worth it in the end as it really makes the bookmark look sturdy and polished. The next step is to fold the top side of the bookmark in about 1/4 of an inch and iron it flat. Then go ahead and give your bookmark a good press. Next, we're going to cut the ribbon. So use a ruler and cut your ribbon to 6 inches long. Then grab the bookmark, fold the ribbon in half, and tuck it into the open side of the bookmark. Make sure to leave enough ribbon out so that you'll be able to trim the ribbon tops into a diagonal. Pin the ribbon in place, then take the bookmark to your sewing machine and sew all the way around the bookmark, about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Oops, sorry, we're blurry here. But you can see this is really a quick and easy project. Okay, we're almost done here. Grab your rotary cutter and give the ribbon edges a quick trim, cutting them to a 45-degree angle. Then grab the fray check, seal the edges of the ribbon, and put a little dot at the corner where you finished sewing. Aren't these bookmarks adorable? Perfect for gift giving or marking your spot in your favorite book. So what do you think? If you end up making some of these, I'd love for you to come visit our private Facebook group. It's the perfect place to show off all of your creations. Everyone loves to see what you've been up to.